$1 vs $10 million manifestation technique, the ladder. What if I told you the secret to achieving your wildest dreams could start with a single, simple experiment? Imagine turning $1 into $10 million not through luck or magic, but by unlocking a hidden power within yourself. Intrigued? You should be. Because in this video we're diving into a fascinating manifestation technique known as the ladder experiment, pioneered by Neville Goddard. This method has stunned countless people by proving that our thoughts can reshape reality itself. But here's the twist: this isn't just about climbing an imaginary ladder. What you're about to learn is the same principle that could help you manifest financial freedom, life-changing opportunities, or even your dream lifestyle. And by the end of this video, you'll not only understand how to test this method yourself, but also discover how to apply it to attract wealth and abundance on an unimaginable scale. Stay with us, because we'll also uncover some lesser-known secrets about how the subconscious mind works and why belief is more powerful than you might think. By the time we're done, you'll have everything you need to start transforming your reality. No gimmicks, just the science and art of manifestation. Welcome to Divine Reality. If you're passionate about unlocking the true potential of your mind and creating the life you've always dreamed of, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe and join our journey into the extraordinary. Let's dive in. Before we talk about the ladder experiment, let's understand the foundation. It's built on visualization. Visualization isn't just daydreaming, it's the deliberate act of creating a vivid, sensory-rich mental image of a specific goal or experience. When you visualize, you're engaging your subconscious mind, a part of your brain that doesn't distinguish between what's real and what's imagined. This is why athletes, performers, and even CEOs often use visualization techniques to enhance their success. Here's how it works. The subconscious mind absorbs repeated mental images like instructions. It treats these instructions as a blueprint for shaping your reality. For instance, if you vividly imagine yourself confidently climbing a ladder, your subconscious will perceive this as an actual memory. It will then subtly influence your actions and environment to align with that image. In simple terms, what you consistently picture in your mind begins to manifest in your life. But there's a catch. Visualization alone isn't enough, it needs belief. Think of belief as the engine that powers the image you create. Without it, your subconscious remains unconvinced, dismissing the image as irrelevant. This is why Neville Goddard emphasized the suspension of disbelief. It's about fully immersing yourself in the imagined experience, even if part of you feels skeptical. By doing this, you bypass the conscious mind's doubts and let the subconscious take the lead. Imagine this: you close your eyes and picture yourself holding a $10 million check. You feel the weight of the paper, see your name printed clearly, and experience the excitement rushing through you. If you genuinely believe in this vision, even for a moment, your subconscious begins to work in the background, guiding you toward opportunities and actions that align with that reality. It's not magic, it's the psychology of focused intention. Before we talk about applying these techniques to manifest wealth or success, let's delve into the fascinating ladder experiment by Neville Goddard. This experiment isn't just a test, it's a way to prove the power of your mind to influence reality. Here's how it works. Every night, before you drift off to sleep, vividly imagine yourself climbing a ladder. Feel the texture of the rungs beneath your hands, the effort in your legs as you pull yourself upward, and the sense of balance as you climb. The key here is detail. Engage all your senses until the scene feels real. While visualizing, repeat the affirmation, "I will climb a ladder." Say it with conviction. This simple phrase works as a command, programming your subconscious to accept this image as truth. Now comes the intriguing twist. During the day, you consciously reject the idea. Write down, "I will not climb a ladder," and remind yourself of it throughout the day. This contradiction creates a mental tug-of-war, engaging your subconscious mind even more deeply. The subconscious thrives on challenges, and this psychological trick amplifies its focus on the ladder visualization. This isn't just about climbing ladders, it's about training your subconscious to accept new realities, even when your conscious mind resists. Before we talk about achieving financial success, let's connect the dots between the ladder experiment and manifesting wealth. The same principles apply, except instead of climbing a ladder, you're focusing on creating the experience of financial abundance. Picture yourself holding a $10 million check. Feel the weight of it in your hands. Notice the crispness of the paper and the vibrant ink. Imagine depositing it into your account, seeing the balance skyrocket, and feeling the joy and relief that comes with such wealth. The key is to immerse all your senses in this visualization. Smell the fresh ink on the check, hear the teller congratulating you at the bank, and even taste the celebratory meal you might have after such a windfall. The richer the details, the more your subconscious accepts it as reality, guiding you toward actions and opportunities that align with that vision. This is where belief comes into play again. Just like climbing the imaginary ladder, you need to hold on to this image with conviction. Even if doubts creep in, remind yourself that the subconscious mind only responds to persistence and clarity, not skepticism. Before we talk about applying these ideas to your daily life, let's explore the science behind manifestation. At its core, this process relies on the power of repetition. When you repeatedly focus on a specific image or idea, it begins to imprint itself onto your subconscious mind. This is called neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to rewire itself through consistent thought patterns. Belief is the amplifier. When you pair repetition with emotional energy, the subconscious treats these signals as priorities. The stronger the emotion, the faster your brain integrates the belief into your reality. Now that you've seen how simple yet powerful these techniques can be, it's time to take action. Start small by trying the ladder experiment tonight. Let it prove to you that your thoughts truly shape your reality. Once you experience success with the ladder, imagine applying the same process to bigger goals, manifesting wealth, better health, or fulfilling relationships. Your journey starts now. Try the ladder test, and don't forget to share your results with us in the comments. If you found this video valuable, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Divine Reality for more insights into transforming your life. See you in the next video.